Welcome for our video channel. We're going to make up Mommy now and Mika cause all the time Daddy's working in the hotel there cause I always playing in this room and dressed up by myself. I know you're going to have a makeup on me with so many toys we buy and then we're going to have makeup.
Alright, let's start this.
Come on, what's up? Put your hands.
What are you gonna do?
No, police. Can you say go?
Look, it's a glittery. By Damika Ipola.
This is my eyebrows glittery.
Oh, how old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old. Oh my god, you're just 3 years old and you can do makeup?
Yeah, by myself.
By yourself and do nail polish to me?
Yeah, I always can do salon.
Huh?
I always can do salon. Salon to you this.
What is that?
It's a bling bling for tip.
Bling bling for chick. You mean blush on?
No bling bling for tip only.
Okay. Show to them. Okay.
This is bling bling.
This looks nice.
This is only for face.
Okay.
Step.
Lipstick. Okay.
And he said that.
Okay. Good job, Sam. I think for the.
What color you want?
Pink.
This is purple.
Oh, that is purple. Okay.
This is dark pink.
Okay.
It's lip balm.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
This is real.
I like this. It's very squishy.
Squeezy. Okay.
I like this bracelet. Lip balm.
Lip balm. All right.
And I will put it too.
This is for the kids.
Very squishy.
Thank you everyone for watching us. I hope you like it. Okay?
Okay.
Can you sing a song? Thank you very much.
I always want a young lit like it. I just wanna see it now. Can you see your makeup? Oh my god, so scary. We got it. Thank you everyone for watching.
What did you do?
Makeup for mommy. And now I look like mommy.
Show them your makeup. Show them in the camera.
Yep. No, this is not my makeup, mommy makeup.
Show them your face, no? Show them how did you do the makeup.
Yeah.
Cantik ya.
No tantic. Not tantic.
Beautiful, right?
Beautiful girl.
Damika is a beautiful girl.
Sorry, Dad.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Have a good evening. You're going to sleep, right?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Bruno.
Have a nice now. Have it now. It's always sunny and raining.